Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to send money to PayPal account from credit card. So guys, this is actually pretty simple, but firstly I have to explain to you a certain restrictions. So unfortunately in most regions and countries there are some geographical restrictions to topping up your actual PayPal balance, the one you can see right here. I'm not really sure why this is done, but PayPal just restricts it to most countries, for most countries, sorry, and only in select certain countries this is available. But guys, if you want to still do this, how to do this is actually pretty easy. In my account it's not available, but I will still show you the process. So you just go and click on your PayPal balance, whether you're on desktop, laptop, Mac, or even your phone. It's the same everywhere. Just click on the balance. You'll be taken to your wallet. And in here, guys, as you can see, I don't have a button to top up my actual PayPal balance, but I will show you the screenshots. Okay, so this is actually what it's going to look like. So you just press on your balance. For example, this is on the phone. And as you can see, there's a button, add money. That's actually, as you can see, missing for me. And after that, guys, you will have this second piece of interface. And on this second window, as you can see, we have a preset sums of money that you can add from £10 to 100. So I'm pretty sure that in the UK, the balance top up, the direct balance top up for your PayPal is available. In the Canada and US, I think it's not. But in general, you either choose these or just press on this pencil icon inside the amount you wish to top up your PayPal balance to, and then just check out with your credit card. So if you want to check out, also make sure to add a credit card over here from the wallets. Just click on here, then you just press on add new billing address, inside the card number, expiration CVV, all of the info, and then press on link card. And then with this card, you can make sure and go ahead and just simply add money to your PayPal balance. Enjoy, if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.